You're watching Roam Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using Hey Communications. Hey Communications, a rural internet provider review. In this video, I'll share my experience with Hey Communications, an internet service provider. You can find links to their services in the description for easy access. Hey Communications specializes in providing reliable internet solutions, particularly in rural and remote areas often overlooked by larger providers. Whether you're a light internet user or require higher bandwidth for activities like streaming or online gaming, Hey Communications offers a range of plans to fit your needs. A key feature of Hey Communications is their fiber optic internet service, which delivers fast and stable connections even when multiple devices are in use. For those in more remote locations, they also provide fixed wireless internet, a viable alternative for customers without access to fiber. Their service caters to individuals, families, and small businesses requiring a dependable connection in areas where other options may be limited or unreliable. What truly distinguishes Hey Communications is their exceptional customer support. They're known for their responsiveness and understanding of the specific needs of their local customer base. This personalized support is invaluable for those who may encounter occasional connectivity challenges. Hey Communications offers competitive pricing, with various packages designed to accommodate different budgets and usage patterns. If you require internet for work or school, they have high-speed plans that ensure smooth video conferencing and other remote work activities. Another noteworthy aspect is their dedication to community involvement. Hey Communications actively works to improve internet infrastructure in rural areas, striving to provide top-tier service to underserved communities. If you're located in a remote area and seeking fast, reliable, and affordable internet, Hey Communications is definitely worth considering. In summary, Hey Communications excels in providing high-quality service, coupled with robust customer support, and a commitment to serving rural communities. For more detailed information on their plans and pricing, be sure to check out the links in the description. And if you've had any experience with Hey Communications, we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below.